Today on CJ Pony Parts, we're going to make this 2013 Focus ST breathe a little better for more performance and horsepower with some help from BBK. The Focus ST is a great performing car right from the factory, but there's no such thing as too much power, so today we're going to make it breathe even better by installing this BBK Throttle Body. This is BBK's 62mm Throttle Body for the 2013 to 18 Focus ST. It was made right here in the USA, and it's designed to be an easy direct fit replacement for the factory 57mm throttle body for reduced turbo lag, quicker throttle response, and most of all, more horsepower. It's made of high quality CNC machined aluminum that works with the factory and aftermarket intakes. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, an extension, 3/8 ratchet, a trim panel removal tool, and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, the first thing we're going to do for this install is remove the engine cover. Disconnect this hose from its mounting brackets right here, and right here. Unplug the map sensor. On the hard hose that goes to the side of the intake manifold, there's a green clip that secures it. You need to release that green clip to remove the hose. Then push on the top of the green tab to remove the hose. If you have the factory sound imposer, you'll need to disconnect it, but we have ours deleted, so we won't be doing that. Loosen up the 7mm hose clamp on the throttle body. Then we're going to remove the 5 bolts that secure the intake manifold to the cylinder head. Remove the intake manifold from the cylinder head. Remove this connector from the intake manifold. You can use a trim panel removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. And then push on this PCV hose, pinch it, and remove it. Unplug the connection on the throttle body, then the intake can finally be removed. You have to unlock the red tab, then press on the connector to remove it. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the OEM and BBK throttle body. We'll show you the size difference here. The OEM one comes in just under 57mm. And the BBK, just under 62. All right, the intake manifold is off the car. We can now remove the factory throttle body with the 4 bolts. All right, install your BBK throttle body the same way that the factory one was, with the factory hardware. Once you get all 4 bolts installed, you can reinstall the intake manifold into the car. Get the intake manifold back into the car and plug in the throttle body. Then this PCV hose, press it on there. Attach this connector to the intake manifold. Slide the throttle body into the intake pipe. Once you get the throttle body into the intake tube, which can be a little tricky, tighten the hose clamp. Line up the dowel pin and then install your center bolt. And then continue with the rest of them. Tighten down the 5 bolts evenly. Reconnect the map sensor. And reconnect this hard line. Make sure that you also reinstall the green locking tab on here. Get the line back into its brackets and reinstall the engine cover. And our installation's finished. Okay, we got our BBK throttle body installed on our 2013 Focus ST. As you can see, it was a lot larger than the factory one. It's going to help this thing to breathe a whole lot better. Install should probably take you about 2 hours, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road.